everybody's not rich like these people are out here with these big fancy houses out here in Ohio country. We have a lot of people out of work and really struggling out there to make ends meet. And a lot of you guys think you can't afford to keep your motorcycle, so you put it up for sale like a fool. But I'm here to tell you in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 ways that you can be poor but yet still keep your motorcycle and continue to have fun out here on the streets.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
If you want to get these gloves and this awesome new helmet that I have that I absolutely love with the auto tint shield, this airbag vest, motovlog camera, all my gear, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos. Yeah, I'm ready to have some fun today. Now I know a lot of you out there are so poor right now, you're poor. You can't even afford the OR in poor. You're so poor. And I understand you, man. It's tough right now for a lot of us out here, guys, and even for the people that are working out here, they're struggling because they got to work twice as hard, man, for the same pay. You know what I'm saying? So it sucks for everybody right now, pretty much. Yeah, baby. Number 5 way you can be poor but yet still keep your motorcycle is, first off, eliminate comprehensive insurance. Right off the jump, eliminate comprehensive. That'll save you some money right off the jump, guys. Yeah, baby. Woo! Good times out here, having a good old time. No cops out here in the suburban neighborhoods. But anyways, get rid of comprehensive insurance, man. Now I know you're thinking, CycleCruza, man, what if my bike gets stolen out here, dude? You know what I'm saying? I lose all that money, dude. And people are stealing bikes like crazy in some areas. I know down in Florida, they steal bikes like hotcakes, man. And I'm gonna tell you what I do to keep my bike from getting stolen. Is I never park it. I take it and I ride it to wherever I'm going. I stay with my bike at all times and I ride it home, and that's it. I don't park it. You don't see me going into no stores and parking it in the parking lot, because that's how they steal your bike, man. And even if you go over a friend's house and you leave it in the driveway, that my sister's boyfriend got his bike stolen that way, man. He had just bought it in 2 days, man. He only had the bike for 2 days, and he went to his buddy's house, went in the guy's house for like 2 minutes, came out, his bike was gone, Jack. What they do is they just come in a pickup truck or they come in a van, and they just, a bunch of them get out, pick the bike up, throw it in there, boom, they're gone. You never see your bike again. And also at your house, if you don't have a garage, bring it in your apartment or your house. Like I said, guys, it makes a beautiful art piece in your house or apartment. I'll tell you, there's a guy on YouTube I saw, he's got like 3 bikes showcased in his living room, man. It looks sick. And tell you, ain't nobody gonna steal it from your living room, man.
And if you crash your bike without comprehensive insurance, just simply fix the bike yourself, take the fairings off, and turn it into a custom Street Fighter like this awesome bike.
Number 4 way to keep your bike if you're poor. Work on the bike yourself. Dealerships charge anywhere from like $60 to $100+ an hour just to do basic maintenance, man. That's crazy. And I can't believe you guys, I have a friend, he takes his bike to the dealership. I'm like, dude, why? You'll build a closer relationship. You'll build a closer relationship with your bike when you work with your bike, man. You know, you'll become more at one with your bike. You know, that kumbaya love with your bike. The awesome one-on-one connection you'll have. and you'll save a lot of money to boot. If you want to learn how to work on the bike yourself, I've got all the basic maintenance videos for you. I did oil change videos, coolant flush, brake fluid flush, adjust the chain. I've got a bunch of different maintenance videos. I have a maintenance video playlist on my website at CycleCruza.com. Click on the menu tab, My Videos, and just click on the maintenance videos. And that's all of my maintenance videos, guys. How to DIY. And on, you know, on YouTube, there's a lot of other people that have done DIY videos too, man. So it doesn't make any sense why you can't work on your bike. And if you need tools, Harbor Freight, baby. I've been using Harbor Freight stuff for like 2 decades with no problems. I know some of you guys are snobs out there and you're only Snap-on people and spend, you know, $1,000 on a wrench, which is ridiculous in my opinion. You can go to Harbor Freight and get with a coupon, get a freaking torque wrench for like $6. I've had mine for like almost over 10 years and it's still good, man. No problems. But anyways, number 3, order parts online. Don't go to the dealership to get parts and pay full retail. Go online, look for the best prices for the parts you want. That's what I do. Currently, I use Partzilla, eBay, Amazon, or I'll Google the part and look up to see what's the best price with shipping and everything. I always get the best deals on parts. And and I'll tell you guys, with a Japanese bike, you're not going to have any problems. All you need to do is basic maintenance on these bikes, man. That's it. European bikes, not so much. That's why you don't see me with the European bike anymore, man. Because they often have problems. Like that Ducati I had, and you know, that Ducati XD Avale where the rear brake went out on it when I first got it. The Aprilia Tuono died on me. Stay away from a European bikes if you're poor. Stick with the Japanese bikes, guys, trust me. But anyways, number 2, stop buying motorcycle specific oil. It's ridiculous that you guys pay like anywhere from like $20 to $50 a quart of oil. Is ridiculous. And you guys will say, oh, it's the best oil you can get, it's gonna make your bike oh, the engine's gonna be butter clean with that oil. Get out of here, man. You don't need motorcycle specific oil. You don't need the name motorcycle on the bottle for it to be proper oil. That's ridiculous, man. Let me tell you what I do. I buy a gallon of Rotella T-4 and T6 oil. $20 a gallon. It's JASO approved, so it's good for motorcycles, no problem. Go look on YouTube, go look on the forums. There's a lot of riders out there that swear by it, and I'm one of them, guys. I've been using Rotella T4 and T6 oils going all the way back to like 2008. 0 issues, guys. No problems. Bike runs butter smooth. In this bike, I use Rotella T4 15W40. Butter. In my sport bikes, I use Rotella T6 5W40. Synthetic. No problems. Butter. So I'm telling you, I'll even include a link to Amazon where you can get a gallon of it for $20. Shipped to your door. It may be a few dollars more, I don't know by now, but stop buying motorcycle specific oil. That'll save you a lot of money. Okay, that brings me to the finale. Number 1, the number 1 thing you can do, sell your car. Listen to me now, sell your car. Use your motorcycle as your only transportation to commute on, have fun on, and you will save a lot of money, especially if you have a dual sport like a DRZ 400 or a WR250R or any other dual sports, because dual sports are so cheap to insure, man. Like $100 and something a year, and that's full coverage. I pay $120 a year on this bike, full coverage. It'd be probably like $60 a year, $70 a year with no comprehensive if I really wanted to. But you spend so much extra money with a car, guys. bike, like I said, you work on a bike yourself. With a car, most people don't work on a car themselves. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't want to get up underneath the car and all that. And you know what I'm saying? But I know there's a lot of you guys out there that are say, CycleCruza, I'm not getting rid of my car, man, because I'm not going to be able to get no ladies out here. You know, if you can't get any ladies, then it's not the car, it's you, baby. Because I know many dudes that had motorcycle only and have had many chicks, and a lot of chicks dig it. There's a lot of chicks out there that like guys that ride motorcycles, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to hear that excuse, you know what I'm saying? And right now it's spring, then we got, you know, summer and fall. You got all the way probably to like October or November that you can ride your motorcycle in decent weather, and that you don't even need your car. And I got a buddy, man, this guy, he only has motorcycles only as his transportation. He'll go to Walmart and he puts a 50-pound bag of dog food on his bike. You know what I'm saying? He's been rocking. He has not had a car in like freaking 5 years, man. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to hear that BS. You don't need a car. Alright? So there you go, guys. So I don't want to hear no more excuses with you guys out there talking about you got to sell your bike because you done lost your job. I don't want to hear none of that. You know what I'm saying? Listen here. I got an even better bonus for you to save some money. You know, if you're out of work currently, get rid of your apartment or house and go live off of your motorcycle for the summer. That'll save you a fortune, and you can do work camping along the way, where you can go to certain places where they have temporary jobs for you, make a little bit of money, live off your bike, get a motorcycle tent where you can put your bike in there with you, camp out on the roadside or in certain areas or whatever, and I tell you, make an adventure out of it, and you'll save a fortune. So there you go, guys. But anyways, leave a comment below, and I want to hear what you guys have to say about this. Will these points help you to keep your motorcycle? Leave a comment below and let's talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel, and also go check out my van channel, my van adventure channel, Bug Out Moto. And so I'll check you guys later. Stay safe. Keep it on 2 wheels. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.